So worst gift I've ever gotten for Christmas. I was given a second-hand home foot spa from a friend who, quote, said, it just needs a bit of cleaning.
So they didn't even clean.
They didn't clean it.
I can't even put my foot in a shoes that someone has worn.
No. My heart doesn't sit well with that.
Much less something where it's been
No,
soaking.
Rasta, no.
All those germs have been festering
Oh
in
my
the
God.
spa.
Fire.
All that athlete's foot is in it.
Fire. Ah.
Yeah, so people. Tell me your friend. Show me your friends and I'll tell you who you are.
Oh, God.
Okay. What's the worst Christmas gift you've received?
Yeah.
Pregnancy test.
A pregnancy test. Why would you give somebody a pregnancy test?
Honey, Merry Christmas. We're having a baby. I don't think I could deal with it. I don't think I could deal with it. Okay. This one. What's the worst Christmas gift you've ever gotten? Herpes.
Oh, shit. Wrap it up, guys. Wrap it up.
Use protection.
Wrap
Use
it up.
Use protection. Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry
you
Christmas.
filthy animal.
Ay.